Hello everyone. Today we are going to do fruits. Fruits are very important for us. Besides good taste, they are a rich source of minerals and vitamins that keep us healthy. So now let's start the video and you can repeat after me. Mango, mango, apple, apple, sweet lime, sweet lime, grapes, grapes, mandarin, mandarin, papaya, papaya, cherries, cherries, blackberry, blackberry, pomegranate, pomegranate, strawberries, strawberries, kiwi, kiwi, raspberries, raspberries, date fruit, date fruit, guava, guava, pears, pears, muskmelon, muskmelon, lychee, lychee, plum, plum, orange, orange, banana, banana, apricot, apricot, coconut, coconut, jackfruit, jackfruit, watermelon, watermelon, peach, peach, star fruit, star fruit, blueberries, blueberries, chiku, chiku, avocado, avocado, kumquat, kumquat, acai berry, acai berry, prickly pear, prickly pear, dragon fruit, dragon fruit, gooseberry, gooseberry, sapota, chiku, sapota, chiku, fig, fig, sarso, sarso, jujube, jujube, custard apple, custard apple, pineapple, pineapple, grapefruit, grapefruit. So children, we have come to the end of this video. If you have liked it, please like, share and subscribe. And for any online and offline tuitions, please contact on the given number. So see you in the next video, means of transport. Thank you very much everyone.